Hello everyone and welcome back to Pably. I am an owner of a dental clinic. Now over here I receive multiple inquiries on WhatsApp. Now resolving and replying to each one of them individually and manually is a very time consuming and hectic part. So to solve the problem, I have created this amazing AI assistant for your dental clinic that is going to handle all your WhatsApp inquiries without you lifting up your finger. This AI agent, the assistant, is going to be created through this amazing software that is Pably ChatFlow that helps businesses to manage their WhatsApp conversation easily and efficiently. As now this AI agent, the AI assistant, is going to be created whenever you receive any of your users' inquiries on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to send a reply to them. So let's move on to my screen to learn the entire process of how you can create this amazing AI agent now. Welcome to my screen. So now first of all, we are going to test this amazing AI assistant, okay? To this AI assistant, I will send a WhatsApp message. So my first message over here is, I need help, okay? Let me send this. Then I will receive a reply instantly. I've received the message, I'm here for you. Could you please share a bit more about what you need help with? Okay. So my first question over here is, how can I contact Smile Care Dental Clinic? Okay. So this is my first question. I forwarded this question and I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant. I have received the reply. You can contact Smile Care Dental Clinic on this email address or on this number. They'll be happy to assist you with any inquiries you may have. Okay, I have another inquiry, that is, do you have multiple clinics? Okay, let me ask this another question. As I forwarded the question, I will wait for this AI assistant to reply. It says yes. Smile Care Dental Clinic has multiple locations. They operate in Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai and Delhi. If you need any specific addresses or information about a particular location, let me know. So my next question is, what are your clinic addresses in Bhopal? Okay, so let me ask this another question. I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant right here, and I have received it. In Bhopal, Smile Care Dental Clinic has following locations. Over here, these are the 3 locations. Okay, now as you can see, this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my inquiries. This is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. So now let us build it without need of any coding and programming skills through Pably ChatFlow. On a new tab, browse the website of Pably ChatFlow, that is www.pably.com/chartflow. After we browse the website, Pably ChatFlow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, before we come into the creation of this amazing AI assistant, what I will do is I will let you know about Pably Community. It is a space with the help of which you can find real-time updates on Pably. Over here in the space, you can ask questions, share feedback, and find amazing automation tips. So go ahead and join our Pably community today itself. You will find the link in the description section. Okay, on Pably ChatFlow's page, you will find 2 options. That is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user like I am, directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pably ChatFlow. So I'm going to sign in right over here. You will see the All Pably app section. I want to use Pably ChatFlow. I will click on this Access Now button. And Pably ChatFlow's dashboard is then going to appear in front of you. Now, Pably ChatFlow is an amazing tool using which you can easily and efficiently manage your WhatsApp conversations. To add your number, you will find the 2 tutorial links in the description section. As there are 2 methods to add your number, you can go and watch those videos. And if you want to learn the features of Pably ChatFlow in brief, you can check out all the section videos in the description section. To create an AI assistant, simply go towards this AI assistant section right over here, and you will land towards the AI assistant page. Click on this AI assistant add button. Then firstly, it is asking for the name, for which I'm going to give it as Dental AI Assistant. Click on this add button and the assistant is going to be created. Now over here, there are sections that you need to fulfill in order to create your own AI assistant. First is AI instructions. We have to first select the type. I'm going to select it as AI agent. You can select the other ones as per your requirement. Automatically, the instructions according to the type is going to appear. If you want to modify it, you can add your points right here. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1, 1 being the more focused replies, 1 being the more creative replies, and 0 being more focused replies from the AI agent. I'm going to select it as 0.5 as I want the replies between more creative and focused. AI to use is OpenAI. Model is GPT-4o Mini. You can select the other model. To have the API key, go to this hyperlink in the help desk, as we can find the API key in OpenAI account. You will land towards the API key section. Create your own one from here. Click on this create button. Firstly, for the name of the key, I'm going to give it as key right over here. Project is going to be default. Permissions as all. Create the secret key from here. Copy this key, paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Next, for this AI Assistant settings, it is asking for header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry items, and fallback message. If you want the header message, you can toggle this button on. If you want a footer message, you can toggle this button on. Stop keywords, I will enter the stop keywords. Let's suppose a customer or the lead who is asking questions wants to stop the assistant to help. Simply they can send a stop keyword, so you can enter those stop keywords right here. Minus stop, I'm going to enter it and press the enter key. You can add as many stop keywords according to your requirement. Okay, retry attempt, if you want that, you can toggle the button on. Fallback message is a message that is going to be forwarded towards your customer or lead in the case if this OpenAI key that we have entered is not working. You can modify this message according to your requirement. The first section, that is AI instructions, is now done. Next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is the most crucial and important part of this entire AI assistant creation. Okay, now over here, knowledge source is the data using which the AI assistant is going to know about your business and reply to the queries. I have created this detailed knowledge source about my dental clinic. You can see right over here of all the services that I provide, all the policies, addresses, costing. You can see I've mentioned each and everything right here. Now you can see this is not a very detailed version. You can create a super detailed knowledge base according to your requirement. This is just a sample that I've created just to show you how the knowledge base is going to be. And using this detail, whatever you're going to enter in this knowledge base, the AI assistant is going to help your customers or leads. Okay, so now to upload the knowledge base, click on this button. Over here, this is my knowledge base. I will upload it. You can enter two types of file right here, TXT and PDF. If your PDF has images, it is important that that PDF file should only have 10 pages. Okay, so now how can you find the knowledge base uploaded? Go to knowledge sources. If you receive the vector ID in your knowledge base PDF file, that means the knowledge source has now been uploaded. Next is the interface. What is the interface? So now let's suppose you've added this AI assistant that we are creating on your website. So how should that AI assistant look on your website? That is where interface and the styling section enters. Okay, so now interface is the details that are entered right here. First is the brand name. My brand name, my clinic's name is Smile Care Dental Clinic. So what I'll do is I'll enter my clinic name right here. Okay, if you want to change this line, you have this section subheading line right over here. Initial message, this is the initial message. If you want, you can enter one more initial message as there are a limit of 2 initial messages. Okay, if you want this powered by Pabbly to be visible, enable and disable it from here. If you want an hyperlink like this, enter the text of the footer as well as the link right here. Now it is user's first message. What message you usually receive towards your AI assistant from your user, you can enter it right here. I've written it over here as I need help. Next is styling. Now styling is branding of this AI assistant. Now you're adding on your website, you need different colors, backgrounds and pictures. You can do it from this section right over here by changing the colors and everything. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part. So as you can see right over here, so all the sections are completed. Do you see how easy it was to create this amazing AI assistant? Now let's just activate this AI assistant and just use it on our WhatsApp. Okay, now let's just activate this AI assistant and save it. Okay, for that, toggle this button on to activate it. If it's not toggled, the assistant is not going to work. Okay, then click this AI assistant, save it from here. Okay, now if you want to use this AI assistant on your website, as we have just done the styling, for that simply go to embedded. You will find the script, copy the script from here, and then you can paste it on your website code. The AI assistant is going to be added there. Okay, so now over here, this is an important step that you need to follow, that is assigning AI assistant. What you need to do is you have to auto assign the AI assistant to all your customer who sends you a message. For that, we have a setting option. Go towards settings and inbox settings section right here. After coming to the inbox settings, scroll down and over here you will find the AI auto replying settings. Enable this from here. Okay, this is how this AI assistant is going to be assigned to all those leads who send you a WhatsApp message from their end. Okay, I will select the contact list over here as all contacts. You can select the specific ones according to your requirement as well. And for the AI assistant, I will select the AI assistant that I have created right now and click on the save button, and the settings is going to be saved. Now you have another option. If you want, you can assign these AI assistant to individual chats as well. Go to the inbox section. This is my first chat that I have right over here. Choose AI assistant, toggle this button on, and you can individually assign this AI assistant to a chat as well. Click on the save button. Okay, So now as this AI assistant is now been successfully created, I will open it. What I'm going to do is now we're going to test this AI assistant again by sending a new WhatsApp message through my number. So let me open my WhatsApp. So now this is my WhatsApp and I will send my first message, that is I need help. I forwarded the message. I'll wait for this AI assistant to reply. It says I'm here to help. Please let me know what you need assistant with. Okay. So my next question over here is, how much does a dental checkup cost? Okay, so I've asked this question. As soon as I've asked this another question, I'll wait for this AI assistant to reply to me. It says a routine dental checkup costs approximately 500 in Bhopal, 550 in Indore, 700 in Mumbai and 650 in Delhi. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I have another question, that is, do you do wisdom tooth removal? Okay, so I'm going to ask this another question. I've received the reply, yes, SmileCare Dental Clinic offer wisdom tooth removal as a part of their oral surgery services. If you have any specific questions, so let me ask another question. I have last question right here, that is, do you do tooth extractions? Okay, so that is my another question, the last one that I'm asking. So I'll wait for the reply from this AI assistant. It says yes, SmileCare Dental Clinic provides safe and painless tooth extraction services. Okay, so now over here you can see this AI assistant is automatically replying to all the queries that I have. That means this AI assistant has now been successfully created with the help of Pabbly Chartflow, that too without need of any coding and programming skills for my dental clinic. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your own amazing assistant to automate your WhatsApp conversation and resolving queries using Pabbly Chartflow today itself. Just sign up for free, get 100 free credits and explore more features and create your own amazing AI assistants today itself. If you have any other questions or doubts related to this bot that I have created in this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chartflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chartflow.